Another breakthrough. Our first exported complete home appliance production line successfully delivered in Southeast Asia. Great news from overseas markets. A complete refrigerator and freezer production line and specialized testing laboratory, custom designed and built by Jiangsu Zhongqing Co., Ltd. for a leading home appliance manufacturer in Southeast Asia, has successfully completed installation, commissioning, and final acceptance. This marks the official delivery of our company's first complete home appliance production line exported overseas, representing a major milestone in our transformation from individual testing equipment supplier to integrated production line plus testing laboratory solution provider. The project includes automated production lines, dynamic testing lines, static inspection lines, specialized performance laboratories, and anechoic chambers, creating a comprehensive system covering the entire process from automated manufacturing, assembly to inline testing, final verification, performance evaluation, and quality control. The solution helps the client upgrade manufacturing capabilities, improve quality management, enhance production efficiency, and strengthen market competitiveness. During implementation, our engineering team strictly followed the client's technical requirements and international standards, completing all stages from solution design and equipment integration to construction, commissioning, and delivery. After comprehensive acceptance testing, the system demonstrated stable operation and fully met all production and testing requirements. Several key process indicators, automation accuracy levels, and testing performance metrics exceeded customer expectations. The project's outstanding quality, advanced integrated technology, and professional delivery services received high recognition from the client. As our first overseas complete home appliance production line project, the successful delivery in Southeast Asia represents an important milestone in our global development strategy. It further strengthens our brand influence in overseas home appliance manufacturing and testing engineering. In the future, we will continue to enhance integrated production technologies and engineering capabilities, expand global markets, and support the development of the worldwide home appliance industry through intelligent manufacturing solutions from China.